Yeah, I see it.
Oh, I feel bad for that car under it. Is that a dragster?
Oh my god.
It is?
I think so. Oh god, I hope the tree at my house didn't fall down.
You go take a look.
Oh my god, look down that block over there.
Oh Lord! How are we gonna pass?
We don't have to drive this way to get out, but I don't even want to know what's going on my block.
What the hell happened? How are we gonna get to your house?
This is all pretty crazy.
Oh my god.
Oh, the entire hood. It was completely rooted up. Well, at least these were parked cars.
Yeah. Good point.
Ah.